Want ChatGPT to address you by a nickname? Here's how to set it on your Samsung Galaxy A56. Okay, first open the ChatGPT app. Tap the menu icon to open sidebar. Tap your profile name at the bottom. Select personalization. Scroll down to the your nickname section. Tap the text box and type the nickname you want ChatGPT to use. Okay, for example, Nick. After entering your nickname, tap the check icon to save your change. Okay, once saved, ChatGPT will address you using the nickname in your future chat. You can return to this section anytime to change or remove your nickname. That's it. Your ChatGPT is now personalized with your choose nickname on your Android device. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.